What's up, guys? I fixed shit in your face, and we're gonna do my first scooter giveaway today. However, stick around at the end of this for the details of the giveaway. I have a good one in mind. My friend actually suggested this giveaway, so I think it's a good place to start. But today, we're gonna talk about how to fix plastics when it comes to turn signals and stuff. And it's actually a lot simpler than you think it is. And remember, these are just my methods. I buy a lot of used scooters. I fix them, I repair them, and then I resell them. So my objective is to keep my spending low. I want to keep my costs down when repairing these, but still do the job pretty accurately and right. You don't want it to be sloppy. You don't want it to look too absolutely funky, but you want it to be functional. So that's what I do. So today I'm going to show you how to fix the taillights on a lot of these scooters, because most of them are cookie cutter. And if you don't have to spend the money, why would you? So if you're just at point A to point B, don't really care about the looks, but you still want it to look somewhat decent, right? Aesthetically pleasing to the eyes, I will show you how to do that today. Let's get kicked off, and don't forget, smash that like button, hit subscribe. I don't make these videos for me, I make them for you. Let's get started. As you can clearly see, the tail light was busted out in this, but this is a very simple fix. I'm gonna show you guys how to resolve that issue today. So you can see what I've done. This has actually been painted. Okay, this has been painted on the inside, right? So the inside layer of this was painted, not the exterior, so it's not gonna peel from the outside. Okay, so the paint is actually on the inside. This was a clear container. I'm gonna show you how I did that. Okay, so this looks really good, lights up great during the day. At night it's really bright, doesn't show the white bulb through it, and I'll show you all of that at the end of this. I'm gonna show you how I cut this, made this perfectly to fit, and we'll go from there. So, first thing you're gonna need a screwdriver. You're also gonna need some metal screws. These have little drill heads on them. This is a perfect way to get through plastic, but still give yourself some spacer and some distance for putting the plastic through without, because what happens is if you put too small screws in, it starts like misforming all the plastic as you tighten it. You want it to have some length. You want to keep this away from that bulb as much as possible. So you want to give yourself about that much distance between you and the bulb so that this doesn't melt, okay? That's the reason I use the longer screws. So take a utility knife, obviously. And I found the best container ever that has worked for all my projects, and we get this juice all the time, is this Simply Nature. I think this is 1.89 liters or 2 quarts, 64 fluid ounces. And they make the absolute best containers. One of these will make 2 of these taillight assemblies. So essentially all I do is cut the top, cut the bottom off as close as I can get them, and then I just cut this extra piece off. So when I make my incision on this, I'll show you exactly how I cut it after I cut the top and bottom off. I cut it right there, top and bottom, in exactly the same spot, all the way down straight, and that forms it to these nice little Teos or these RX Wolf 50s. You know, all these different ones, they're all different names, but they're all basically cookie cutter, and they work fantastic for that. Once I get to that stage, I flip it over. I take my spray paint. Doesn't really matter what you use. You can use high temperature if you want. I like gloss because I want it to have a shine. I want it to look kind of like the original plastic, which is over there. I want it to have that nice glossy shine. And also bonds to plastic. So I get a nice can of, you know, Rust-Oleum, American Accents, 2X Ultra Cover. I put 1 or 2 coats on there. That normally comes out pretty good. And then when I'm done, I have it all cut out. I bring it over to here, and then I start putting my screws in. I make sure to get those long ones. I put it through this first, and then once I get it through this, I hold it in place where I want, and I keep screwing in until I reach the plastic, and then I start putting pressure on it. That way it doesn't misform this plastic and give it an all wrinkly, crappy look and tighten them down too much, and then it's all like mangled and stuff. So that's how I do that. That's a very easy way to make a quick tail light, and very cost effective for anybody who wants to do it. So now I'm gonna show you what that looks like. So the old plastic obviously broke off. Annoying, but that's what it is. So go ahead and turn the key. Gonna hold the brake, kickstart this. Let me open the garage so I don't get choked out by the fumes here. I also changed this over to a high bright LED bulb, so that's nice and bright now. Let this warm up. And clearly I have a bulb out. That's gonna need to be addressed. So you can see that the running bulb does not work, but the taillight bulb does. So I have to replace that bulb, and I do have another one. And replacing that bulb is as easy as just backing these 2 screws out, folding this down, unscrewing the bulb, put the 2 screws right back in their holes, and you're done. That's how easy it is now to change that bulb. So as you can see when I pull on it, looks perfect. Exactly what you're looking for, day or night. Looks great. So there you go. Now let's walk you through the giveaway here. You guys have a general idea of how to build one of these, what containers I use, and how easy it is. Alrighty guys, I said we were going to be doing our first giveaway. It is getting into the cold season. On December 1st, I will end this first giveaway. I'm going to be giving away a pair of nice heated gloves. They will be USB operated, so obviously you'll have to have a 12-volt output on your scooter or motorcycle. I'll be giving away a fairly nice pair of gloves that are powered and heated. They are also very wind resistant for cold weather. I believe they are partial leather, all the good stuff. They're a nice pair of gloves. So we will be doing that only, unfortunately, for people in the US. I can't do outside shipping. There's too much craziness going on right now with international shipping to even try to stress doing something like that. So it's only be for people in the US. I will end this giveaway on December 1st. And I will do a random comment selector to choose the person. However, the person must have, in my comment section, you must be a subscriber, and you must put, "It's cold, I need gloves," in the comment section below. On December 1st, I will start a live stream. We will do a random comment selector to choose the person, and we'll go from there. So if you guys want to partake, you know what to do. It's quite simple. I fix shit. I'll catch you guys on the flip. I hope that helped. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, turn on notifications if you like my content, and I'll catch you guys on the flip. Toodles.